Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to inspect trailer tires for wear and keep your rig safe. Trailer tires take a lot of abuse, but ignoring their condition can lead to serious problems. Uneven wear, cracks, or low tread might not seem urgent, but they can cause breakdowns or accidents when you're on the road. Thankfully, inspecting your tires doesn't take long and can save you from costly repairs or unsafe situations. In this video, we'll cover exactly what to look for so you can keep your trailer safe and road ready. Understanding the anatomy of trailer tires. To successfully inspect trailer tires for wear, it helps to know what makes them tick. Trailer tires aren't just black rubber circles. They're complex components designed to support heavy loads while maintaining safety and stability. By understanding the different parts of a trailer tire and their functions, you can make better decisions when evaluating their condition. Key components of a trailer tire. Every part of a trailer tire plays a role in its performance, durability, and safety. During inspections, knowing what to look for in each component can give you peace of mind and prevent issues down the road. Here's a breakdown of the key parts. Tread. The tread is the part of the tire that makes contact with the road. Its patterns are designed to provide traction and channel away water to prevent hydroplaning. Over time, the tread can wear unevenly, and shallow tread depth is a clear sign that replacement is needed. Regularly check for signs of damage, such as cuts, bulges, or embedded debris. Sidewall. The sidewall is the outer vertical surface of the tire, extending from the tread to the bead. It offers structural support and protects the tire's internal components. Cracking, blistering, or bulging in this area can signal aging or damage from overloading, sun exposure, or impact. Bead. This is the edge of the tire that sits on the rim, ensuring the tire stays securely in place. It's critical for safety since a damaged bead can lead to air leaks or, worse, the tire popping off the rim. Check for any deformation or looseness along the bead during your inspection. Ply, or casing. The ply is the hidden hero inside your tire. It's made up of layers of fabric or steel wires that provide strength and flexibility. Since this part isn't visible, you may only notice ply issues through indirect signs like bubbles in the sidewall or tread separation. These are serious problems that need attention immediately. Each part of the tire contributes to safety and performance. Skipping over these components during your inspection could mean missing early warning signs of potential failure. Differences between trailer tires and passenger vehicle tires. Trailer tires are designed for a very specific job. Unlike passenger vehicle tires, they're built to carry heavy loads safely, even over long distances. Because of this, their construction and performance characteristics are quite different. Let's look at what sets them apart. Load capacity. Trailer tires, often marked with Saint for special trailer, are made to bear significantly more weight than passenger tires. Their stiffer sidewalls reduce flexing under heavy loads, providing greater stability for your trailer. Tread design. Unlike passenger tires that prioritize grip and handling, trailer tires have narrower tread patterns to minimize rolling resistance and improve efficiency when towing. Inspecting these tires means focusing more on wear patterns and less on things like cornering grip. Stability over speed. Passenger tires are engineered for smooth rides and higher speeds. Trailer tires, however, prioritize stability and control under load. This is why many trailer tires have a lower speed rating than typical passenger tires. Wear and tear sensitivity. Because trailer tires carry heavier weights, they're often more prone to wear and heat damage. Rotating your trailer tires is less about even wear, since they don't steer, and more about extending their lifespan by balancing the load during extended use. Understanding these differences can help you correctly assess the tires on your trailer. Inspections for trailer tires focus heavily on load readiness, sidewall integrity, and even tire age. Passenger tire inspections, on the other hand, tend to focus more on traction and handling. By knowing how trailer tires differ, you can spot problems earlier and address them in ways that keep your rig safe and on the move. Common signs of tire wear and damage. Keeping your trailer tires in good shape starts with knowing what to look for. Tires naturally wear over time, but certain warning signs can indicate bigger issues that need immediate attention. Regular inspections are your first line of defense against unexpected failures, ensuring your trailer stays safe on the road. Let's break down the most common signs of wear and damage you'll encounter. Tread wear patterns and indicators. Your tire tread tells a story. Uneven tread wear, like cupping, dips or scallops in the tread, or balding, smoother areas, is an early signal that something isn't right. Patterns like these often point to alignment problems, unbalanced tires, or suspension issues. For example, bald spots can happen if the tires lock up during sudden braking or because of overinflation. Cupping or scalloping may occur when shocks or suspension components aren't working properly. Edge wear along one side often points to incorrect alignment, causing the tire to lean too much in one direction. Make it a habit to feel the tread with your hand. Smooth, even wear is a green light. Anything unusual means it's time to check alignment, balance, or vehicle conditions that could be wearing down your tires prematurely. Cracks, bulges, and cuts. Sidewall damage is a serious red flag. The sidewall may not touch the ground, but it handles the structural load and absorbs impact. Cracking, bulging, or cuts in this area can lead to sudden failures you won't see coming. Cracks. These are often caused by age or exposure to harsh sunlight. Over time, the rubber degrades and loses flexibility, creating tiny fissures that weaken the tire's structure. Bulges. A bulge or bubble in the sidewall means the internal layers of the tire have been damaged, often from hitting a curb or pothole. This weak spot is prone to blowouts. Cuts. Sharp edges or debris can slice into the rubber, especially along the sidewall, creating a high-risk situation. If you see any of these during an inspection, don't ignore them. A damaged tire is unpredictable and should be replaced immediately to avoid accidents. Age-related degradation. Even if your tires look fine, their age might tell a different story. Over time, the materials in a tire break down, making them unsafe to use, even if the tread is still good. Here's how to spot aging. Manufacturing date. Check the dot code on the tire's sidewall. It's a series of numbers, with the last 4 digits showing the week and year the tire was made. If your tires are over 5-7 years old, they're likely due for replacement. Surface cracks. Small, spider-like cracks on the tread or sidewall are called dry rot, and signal that the rubber is becoming brittle. Hardened rubber. Tires become less flexible as they age, reducing their ability to grip the road and handle impact. Even if you've only used your trailer occasionally, tires age as they sit, and parked trailers exposed to sun and weather can experience aging faster. Never rely on appearance alone, check the age. That's it for part 1 of our trailer tire inspection guide. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into how to properly maintain your tires for maximum safety. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.